Hi, my name is Vicki Selvaggio. I'm a service coordinator in Springfield, Illinois. Our property is a PRAC 202, and we have 59 residents. We're senior housing only. We have 59 apartments, so we have 59 residents. In the past, we have had couples. Right now, they're all single. And out of those 59 residents, 25% are men, which is very unusual. The age differences go anywhere from 62 years old to 104 years old. The majority of our residents speak English. However, we do have a resident that speaks Serbian. We have Korean and Filipino. So we have quite a bit of a mix. The typical way that we communicate with our residents is always the newsletter, which comes out monthly, and it includes a resident calendar. We do have sign-up sheets, which we would like to do away with, and that is our goal because of Witlingo. We also have to put flyers in everybody's doors, which has not served as far as convenience. If somebody's away from the apartment and they're not going to be home in time, by doing Witlingo, they are reminded we have an activity, and then they make sure they're home on time to attend those events. Since we've implemented Witlingo, it has saved us on time, being able to just put the word out. It saves us on not having to go door to door. It's also very convenient. If something needs to be canceled, it's very convenient to just once and done. It crosses our language barriers. So it helps me to look good as a service coordinator by being able to communicate with all of our residents. And what was most important recently is that we were able to put out a last-minute informational message stating that, hey, tornadoes are in our area, which did hit north of us. We were able to tell them reminders of this is where you go to, should you hear the sirens, if you can't leave your apartment, this is where you need to remain. So that was a huge blessing. And we can do it after hours. It doesn't have to be 8 to 4 when we're in the office. Since we've implemented Witlingo, it has created more conversations with residents between each other. They are talking more about how it's working for them. If they have text messages, but they want phone calls instead, they've been able to even request both. It has allowed more participation, and we expect to see that continue to grow. Our residents Our older residents prefer the text messages and phone calls. Our younger ones who are a little bit more tech savvy definitely appreciate the emails. But as of right now, with our older population, they do prefer the text and the the text and the phone calls. When we first started Witlingo, we had a meeting with the residents explaining what it was about, how it's going to work, and how it's going to better all of our lives. And some of them were reluctant, so we did a phase-in period where we were implementing however their preferred contact was, as well as flyers. And we gave a certain deadline as to after this date, we are strictly going to stick with the Witlingo. Those who still had questions have been coming into the office, and it's been a no-brainer. We've been very helpful in explaining how it works, what method works best. You don't need to respond, just answering those little questions to make it more cohesive. And we do see an increase in attendance, and it's just going to get better from here. More people are going to feel more comfortable and get more involved, and we just expect that there's going to be more resident participation.